Okay, cellular respiration, glycolysis. Act 1. We're going to start with 2 ATPs. They come across and they break the glucose, which is already broken by David. Okay? So we have 2 groups of 3. Stay right there. Okay, next you're going to have an electron carrier come in, and the electron carrier is going to pick up 2 electrons and take them to the electron transport chain. Same thing with the other electron carrier, and they change them to NADH from NAD+. Last, 4 ADP come in and change to ATP, and we have now, what is David carrying? 3 carbon, what's the name? Pyruvic acid, good. Now David carries the pyruvic acid from the cytoplasm to Act 2 Krebs cycle in the matrix. So you're going to first step in to the matrix, and you're going to lose 1 carbon, and Valencia is going to pick up 2 electrons. She's going to change to NADH and go to the electron transport chain. Aowen is coenzyme A. She's going to take you to meet up with the 4 carbons and then leave. Now you're going to move all 6 carbons. That's what is that called once you have 6 carbons?
Pyruvic acid.
Citric acid. Good. Citric acid moves over to Emilio, and you're going to lose 1 carbon as carbon dioxide, and Emilio is going to pick up 2 electrons and change to NADH and go to the electron transport chain. Now you're going to take your 5 carbons over to Jason. What are you going to do? What did he lose that as? CO2. So Jason picks up 2 electrons, changes to NADH, and moves to the electron transport chain. Now, what happens with Will? All 4 carbons stay together, and what does Will make? ATP. Very good. Then you move over to Malesio. Keep your 4 carbons. Malesio changes from FAD to FADH2. He's the VIP electron carrier. He's going to go to Eric. And now David is done with his 4 carbon molecule until when he meets up with Tori. And Tori will pick up her 2 electrons, and now she will also go to the electron transport chain. So Krebs cycle is done. Electron transport chain. Okay, pass your electrons down. As you pass your electrons, the proteins are activated and they push the hydrogens through the membrane. Good job. The hydrogens are through the membrane. Okay. Can I have somebody, Tori, go and pick up the hydrogens? Okay. Now, at the bottom, water is made at the last electron. We forgot to put the water out. And now, Tori, you're going to roll the hydrogens through the ATP synthase, and then we're going to make ATP.
Good catch, Eric.
Use your athletic skills that we all know you have. Okay. Hydrogens are rolling through ATP synthase, and ATP synthase makes how many ATP? Very good.